Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in kitchen gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of electric vegetable choppers, and we've got our hands on what we believe is the best in the market right now. Introducing the Hiteemer 3-in-1 electric vegetable chopper. This sleek and powerful machine is a game-changer for anyone who spends a lot of time chopping veggies in the kitchen. What sets this chopper apart from the rest? Let's break it down. First off, versatility. The Hiteemer 3-in-1 can do it all. From slicing to dicing to shredding, this machine has you covered. Whether you're prepping ingredients for a stir-fry or making a batch of homemade salsa, this chopper can handle it all with ease. And speaking of ease, that brings us to our next point, convenience. Thanks to its powerful motor and sharp stainless steel blades, this chopper makes quick work of even the toughest vegetables. Plus, with its large feeding chute, you can say goodbye to pre-cutting your ingredients. Just toss them in and let the machine do the rest. But convenience doesn't stop there. The Hiteemer 3-in-1 is also incredibly easy to clean. Simply rinse it under running water or use the included cleaning tool and brush for a more thorough clean. Now, let's talk about durability. This machine is built to last. With its sturdy metal construction and rust-resistant blades, you can trust that the Hiteemer 3-in-1 will be by your side for years to come. Finally, let's address the elephant in the room, noise. We've all experienced those obnoxiously loud kitchen appliances that make you want to run for the hills. But fear not, because the Hiteemer 3-in-1 is surprisingly quiet. So you can chop away to your heart's content without waking the whole house. So there you have it, folks. The Hiteemer 3-in-1 electric vegetable chopper. Versatile, convenient, durable, and quiet. What more could you ask for in a kitchen gadget? Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more reviews on the latest and greatest products. Until next time, happy chopping!